Does he look like the sun?
Let's not get run over though, guys.
That's a pretty funny sign. What is up? It is day 2. We are headed to Monterey. Got a van load of people. We rented a minivan and we are now headed down to Monterey. It's a very nice day compared to yesterday. Yesterday was just all rain. Had some good wines yesterday, so now we're ready to work off some of that food, right? We'll see you there. We're in Carmel. In Monterey. We are headed to the beach. Sorry, don't want to get hit by a car, so I'm looking both ways.
Bring doggy to the beach.
Bring doggy to the beach, and doggy's peeing right now. There is a free parking lot located on Ocean Avenue, as well as free on-street parking on Camino Real and Scenic Road. There are time limits to street parking, so be sure to check the time before leaving the car.
So Leo, when the tide's out, this beach is like 4 times the size.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it goes much further out. This is actually the highest I've ever seen it.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Let's check out Eric's shoes.
The nerd ass shoes.
Yeah,
They're beautiful.
they're beautiful. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
I forgot my sunglasses, so I'm squinty today.
Yeah, I did too. Let's check out the doggies. What you got, Mom?
Carmel Beach is known for great surf and is an awesome spot to take your dog for a walk. Monty definitely had a great time.
He's gonna shake.
Lobos State Park. We're here to do a little trail, little hiking here at Point Lobos. Dara, I believe you've been here before?
Yes.
She has. This is my first time out here, so
It's gonna be pretty.
my brother-in-law and his wife are going to show us the trail. We're going to be doing a really nice hike here, right? About an hour's worth?
Yeah, an hour hike.
Yeah, so have you done this hike before?
I'm not so sure which trail we're doing, but
All right.
I've done a few.
Nice.
But yes, and we can send you a postcard via this.
Oh, cool. There's a mailbox. I didn't even see this here.
Check it out.
Oh, that's cool. It's in the snow. Park hours are from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Parking is $10 per vehicle. However, we were able to skip paying $10 by parking right on Highway 1 or Cabrillo Highway and taking the Carmelo Meadow Trail into the park.
No, you have to crush them. Crush it. There you go.
Want to get some chowder at the Wharf?
I would love some chowder. What
Chowder
about
at the
you?
Wharf?
Chowder. Some chowder. Point Lobos is a state park that contains a number of hiking trails and a small number of beaches. Here we saw some of the most amazing views California has to offer.
So we're going to Sea Lion Cove to see sea lions.
You can see the sea lions.
And see the little critters are there.
Yes, the little critters. Oh, there's one right there.
That's a very malnourished sea lion.
We will see you there, sea lions. Just you wait.
Kiss of the rose now.
He's looking at us.
He's like, you idiots.
You fool.
Fun. I forgot how pretty it was over here.
Yeah. Brings back memories?
Yeah.
That's cool.
A lot of memories. Nice memories.
Nice memories. Yeah.
Making new ones.
Making new ones. So much awesome scenery here. Really cool. I mean, you can see it. It's really awesome over here. So, first time checking this out. It's really nice. I'm enjoying this hike so much.
Tenderloin. Crocodile gummies, gummy turtle, gummy frog, sour bites, centipede.
Only get one shot.
Nutella? Nutella fudge.
I'll split it with you. Yep.
Nutella fudge, please. Darry, you want some?
Thought I would say that about my husband. I do. You want it? Is it cash only? Oreo apples.